I thought we'd give this trail a try today. I didn't know it existed. Never been down it before. But what's nice about it is it's paved, so it's wheelchair accessible, or if you have trouble walking, or if you have strollers, and it appears to be a nice little trail. Normally I stop at the Sugarlands Visitor Center first, but it's government shutdown, and it was closed yesterday and closed today, along with Cades Cove. But we went to Cades Cove earlier in the week. But I think this looks like a nice little trail, so let me get you some video of it. This trail is only about a mile or so from the Sugarlands Visitor Center, and you'll see the signs for it. So this is really a great little trail to get out into the Smoky Mountain. That's just beautiful. So this truly is a great little trail. If the only way you can get into the park or out into the park and around is with a wheelchair, or you have little kids with a stroller, or you have trouble walking, the trail here is all paved with concrete and it's flat. So it's very easy to walk, or if you had to use a wheelchair to push somebody or a stroller. And it's very peaceful back here. And it's just a small little trail. It's not like super long. I'd stop. It's nice. So this trail is just a little loop. Very nice, highly recommend it. I'm back to where I started now. Main road's right up there.